Did you know that Stockholm's archipelago contains over 30,000 islands that are constantly shape-shifting due to natural forces? Watch how this incredible geological dance unfolds. Nestled in Eastern Europe, Stockholm's vast island network experiences continuous transformation through powerful erosion and deposition processes. As waves crash against rocky shores, they gradually wear down the islands while simultaneously building new landforms elsewhere. Seismic activity in the region amplifies these changes, causing subtle shifts in the archipelago's geography that create unique habitats for diverse species. This dynamic environment serves as a living laboratory for biogeography, where each new landform becomes a potential home for plants and animals. The constant reshaping of islands creates ecological corridors and barriers, influencing how species spread and adapt across the archipelago. Recent studies show that areas with higher seismic activity host more diverse ecosystems than stable regions. What hidden species do you think might evolve in these ever-changing island landscapes? Share your theories below.